Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. The stars are aligned for you to make bold, life-altering moves. This is your moment to act decisively, without hesitation. Opportunities may appear daunting, but a leap of faith now can pave the way to significant transformation. Take this chance to assess your connections. Some old ties may no longer serve your journey forward, and it's time to cut the dead weight. Health and wellness today. Today brings a revitalizing surge of physical and mental strength. The doubts and lethargy you've been feeling recently will dissipate, leaving you energized and ready to conquer any challenge. Just remember to stay grounded and realistic in your goals, as overextending yourself might lead to setbacks. Love and relationship today. You're in an analytical mood regarding your romantic relationships. Today, you may find yourself weighing the positives and negatives, deciding if your current relationship truly aligns with your happiness. However, don't ignore your feelings. Be mindful of your heart before making any final choices. Career and money today. While you're putting in the effort, today's energy may bring minor obstacles at work, and progress might feel elusive. This isn't the day to push too hard or engage in workplace debates. If possible, consider taking some time off to relax with friends and recharge. A break can offer fresh perspectives and renewed motivation for tomorrow. Taurus horoscope today. Today, your focus on details will shine brightly. You're likely to dive into meticulous planning for a major project, and your dedication won't go unnoticed. Your industrious nature is set to earn you recognition and respect, as creativity flows through every task. Let this energy guide you as you turn even the smallest details into stepping stones toward success. Health and wellness today. A day filled with happiness, health, and vitality awaits you. Your optimistic approach to life is likely to lead to a positive, long-lasting impact on your well-being. Others may look to you with admiration as you radiate confidence and strength, making today an ideal time to make choices that will support your health in the future. Love and relationship today. Today, you're ready to approach love with a clear mind, free from illusions. This newfound clarity will help you explore relationships with authenticity and confidence. Take gentle steps in the realm of romance, savoring each moment. The connections you make today have the potential to be deeply fulfilling and refreshingly genuine. Career and money today. Communication at work may feel a bit challenging as your bosses may only hear what suits them. However, your colleagues have been a steady source of support, and today is a perfect day to show them appreciation. Financial rewards could also be on the horizon once you've realigned with your superiors. Let patience and teamwork guide you. Gemini horoscope today. Today, recognition and success are on the horizon. You may find yourself making quick decisions based on intuition rather than logic, yet each one will be spot on. Embrace this heightened sense of intuition as it guides you through life's choices, but be prepared to forgo a few comforts in favor of reaching your long-term goals. Success may require sacrifices, but your path is clear and promising. Health and wellness today. You've been pushing yourself hard recently, and now's the time to rest and recharge. Take this opportunity to participate in creative activities or even sports, something that can refresh both mind and body. A change of scenery, even a short trip around town, will do wonders for boosting your energy and clarity. Love and relationship today. A shift in your romantic desires is taking shape. You're ready to move beyond surface-level relationships and begin the search for a true soulmate. This transition may come with its fair share of challenges, but you are emotionally ready to face them. Trust that these experiences will bring you closer to a fulfilling and meaningful connection. Career and money today. Today is ideal for ramping up your professional efforts and focusing on ambitious goals. You'll feel a strong drive to complete your current projects with excellence, and your determination will pay off soon. Look forward to rewards for your hard work, and rest assured that you have the unwavering support of your family in your journey. Cancer horoscope today. Today calls for rest and quiet contemplation. After days of hard work, take this time to unwind and appreciate what you've achieved. Skip big gatherings and focus instead on personal moments of reflection and sharing. Connecting with someone special on a deeper level will bring a sense of fulfillment and peace. Health and wellness today. Exciting changes could be on the horizon for your home life. You may find the opportunity to move or finalize plans to buy a new place. If you've been thinking about renovating or remodeling, now is the perfect time to set things in motion. Positive energies favor home improvements, helping you create a comforting space. Love and relationship today. Your love life is set to come alive today. After a period of distance, your partner may now put in extra effort to make you feel cherished. Let go of any past grievances and simply enjoy the warmth and affection they bring. Embrace the joy of being pampered and focus on building a strong, loving connection. Career and money today. Today, your friendly and approachable demeanor can open new doors for you. Engage with people around you and let your positive body language do the talking. This is a favorable time to begin a new project, so channel your organizational skills to keep things smooth and clutter-free. Financially, look out for unexpected gains toward the month's end. Leo horoscope today. Today, you may feel restricted by limited resources, which could seem like an obstacle in bringing your ideas to life. Don't let anxiety take over. By the end of the day, opportunities will arise for you to work on your passion projects. Embrace the balance between responsibility and freedom. It's an opportunity to grow your resilience and work ethic. Health and wellness today. Today may present some tense social situations that could elevate your stress levels, affecting your mental and physical health. Although it may be challenging to avoid these encounters, consider using relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even a quick walk to clear your mind. Prioritizing these strategies will help you prevent stress from impacting your well-being. Love and relationship today. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual respect and boundaries. Today, take a step back and ensure you're respecting your partner's personal space, while also ensuring they respect yours. Setting these boundaries will create a balanced foundation and prevent future complications. Love grows stronger with respect for individuality. Career and money today. Before diving into your tasks, take some time to reflect on past experiences. Reviewing past successes and missteps will help you identify what to keep and what to change. This reflective approach will guide you on whether to continue on your current path or adjust it for greater fulfillment and success. Virgo horoscope today. Today, Virgo, you'll enjoy well-deserved recognition and support from those around you. Filled with energy and optimism, you're ready to tackle new projects that are likely to bring future rewards. Trust in your ability to discern valuable ventures, as today's choices could yield impressive benefits down the line. Health and wellness today. Your commitment to a physically challenging and health-focused routine is finally paying off. If you've been following a diet plan or exercise regimen, you'll see measurable results today, whether that's weight changes, improved stamina, or other milestones. Let this success inspire you to push your fitness goals to the next level and continue reaping the benefits. Love and relationship today. It's a day for heartfelt gestures, Virgo. If your partner seems a bit distant, go the extra mile to show your love and appreciation. Surprise them by getting home early, preparing a home-cooked meal, or creating a warm, candlelit setting. Your acts of love will deepen the connection and bring you closer. If you're in a long-distance relationship, a thoughtful call or message will help bridge the gap. Career and money today. Your current job is treating you well, and you're busy with ongoing projects, but keep an eye out. Today, a new opportunity may come up within your company. This chance could expand your role, bringing more responsibilities and an enriched work experience. However, don't expect an immediate pay raise. Instead, focus on the long-term potential this growth opportunity brings. Libra horoscope today. Today, Libra, you may feel your usual calm disturbed by the curiosity of others. People around you seem unusually interested in your personal and professional plans, likely due to some unintentional leaks of information. Try to stay centered and avoid getting drawn into unnecessary chatter. Keep your focus on your priorities and let others' curiosity fade on its own. Health and wellness today. You may be concerned today about the health of an elderly friend or family member. Reach out and offer support to those in need. It can make a world of difference. Additionally, take some health precautions with any children in your life. Today is also a great day to explore diet changes or new health routines that will benefit you and your family's overall well-being. Love and relationship today. Love may be closer than you think, Libra. Today, pay attention to how others speak and interact with you. Someone special might be waiting for your recognition. For those in relationships, some misunderstandings may arise. Use patience, listening, and open dialogue with your partner to bring harmony back into your connection. Career and money today. Today promises a busy schedule with demands on your time from multiple areas. Do your best to focus on your personal growth. Consider enrolling in an online course or certification to support your career development. Financially, it's a good day to save more than you spend. Small steps now will pay off in the future. Scorpio horoscope today. Today promises a profitable turn of events, especially if you're involved in real estate deals or financial transactions. Your positive mindset is your secret weapon, and it will be bolstered by someone close to you. Embrace this support, as it will help you enjoy life's pleasures while experiencing meaningful spiritual growth. Expect valuable insights that will guide you toward prosperity and well-being. Health and wellness today. Your health is in peak form today, Scorpio. Take time to relax with wellness music or treat yourself to a calming aromatherapy session. While you're in good health, a family member may need your care as they deal with a minor illness. The day will also bring a welcome reduction in mental stress, making it easier to handle responsibilities with a calm mind. Love and relationship today. Your love life is under the nurturing influence of the stars today. This is a perfect moment to shower your partner with affection and make them feel cherished. The planets are aligning to protect your love, and you'll find that today offers an ideal time to enjoy a deeper, more intimate connection with your partner. Embrace this chance to nurture and celebrate your bond. Career and money today. While things have been going smoothly at work, take caution not to let recent successes make you overconfident. Today is a good day to assess your goals and carefully evaluate what you can realistically accomplish. Avoid overcommitting to tasks. Pacing yourself will ensure long-term success. Sagittarius horoscope today. Today is all about seizing opportunities that allow you to express your creativity. You're likely to find yourself brimming with enthusiasm and ready to tackle any challenges. Changes at home could be on the horizon, possibly even a move that will bring more peace and new growth opportunities. Keep an open mind, as these shifts could pave the way for exciting new beginnings. Health and wellness today. Social activities may be high on your list, but watch out for oily or heavy foods that can upset your health. If you're indulging in drinks, remember to hydrate by increasing your water intake to stay balanced. A good night's rest before your next adventure will help you feel your best. Moderation will keep your energy high and leave you looking refreshed. Love and relationship today. Big relationship moves could be on the horizon. Today, You and your partner might even consider moving in together. Before making this exciting commitment, why not break the routine with a spontaneous holiday or adventure? It's the perfect way to create lasting memories and reconnect in a fun, refreshing way. Career and money today. Expect a possible difference of opinion in the workplace, whether with a colleague, boss, or subordinate. Stay calm and focused to avoid stress-related effects on your health. Starting your day with a physical activity, like running, can help release any built-up tension and set a positive tone for the day. Stay level-headed and focus on your goals. Capricorn horoscope today. Today brings the possibility of an unexpected partnership that could infuse your life with romance, thrills, and adventure. Though the outcome is uncertain, this opportunity is time-sensitive, so stay alert and be ready to act quickly. Support may come from surprising sources, giving you a boost in a way you didn't expect. Health and wellness today. Prioritize relaxation today, but in a way that supports your well-being. Consider trying relaxation techniques like meditation, or treat yourself to a professional massage. While you might be tempted by junk food, keep in mind that these cravings might leave you feeling sluggish. Instead, focus on nourishing your body to truly feel your best. Love and relationship today. You're feeling assertive and confident in your approach to love today, and this newfound self-assurance will be exciting for your partner. Just remember to leave ego out of the equation to avoid unnecessary tension. Embrace this chance to create lasting memories and connect deeply with your loved one. Today is perfect for romance. Career and money today. With an upbeat and carefree mindset, you're ready to impress and enjoy yourself fully. While indulging is fun, remember to keep an eye on your budget to avoid overspending. Thankfully, your financial position remains secure, even if you're in a mood for splurging. Enjoy the day while maintaining some balance. Aquarius horoscope today. Lady Luck is shining brightly on you today, Aquarius. If you've been considering a little risk, now might be the time to take it, whether that's buying a lottery ticket or snagging a great deal. Success is likely, but be prepared to be assertive in expressing your opinions. Staying silent could put you in an awkward situation, so make sure your voice is heard. Health and wellness today. Your energy is sky high today, and you're eager to get things done. However, be prepared for some unexpected social stress that could dampen your mood. It may come from close relationships, but don't let it affect your mental well-being. Remain positive and cheerful, as you'll need all your strength for upcoming challenges. Stay calm and keep your spirits high. Love and relationship today. Your relationship is on a solid and happy foundation, but there's still so much to discover together. Today, a small disagreement might arise, but it's an opportunity to learn more about each other. Avoid doing things that your partner dislikes, as it may lead to some playful, enlightening moments. Enjoy the chance to grow closer and deepen your bond. Career and money today. Today is ideal for making investments, Aquarius, but only after doing thorough research. A well-informed decision is likely to pay off in the long run and help you reach your long-term financial goals. Avoid impulsive choices, take the time to evaluate your options carefully, and your financial future will look brighter for it. Pisces horoscope today. Today is a productive day for you, Pisces. You'll feel more dedicated than usual and will tackle any accumulated tasks or backlogs with ease. Completing these tasks will give you a sense of accomplishment, which will be noticed by those around you. Expect recognition and appreciation both at home and at work. Your hard work does not go unnoticed. Health and wellness today. Today marks a turning point for your health, as you start realizing how small, moderate changes can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Take this as an opportunity to break a bad habit and commit to healthier practices. If you've already started on this path, today you'll begin to feel the benefits, both physically and mentally, making you more positive and energetic. Love and relationship today. Communication is key in your relationship today, Pisces. If there has been any confusion or ambiguity in expressing your needs, now is the perfect time to clear the air. Your open communication will not only resolve misunderstandings but will also strengthen the bond you share with your partner. You may even learn something new and surprising from them that deepens your connection. Career and money today. Your professional life requires your full attention today, but your heart is at home, Pisces. Finding a balance between work and family time will be crucial. You'll be tempted to take some time off and relax with loved ones, but make sure you don't neglect your responsibilities. Use your lunch breaks and after-work hours wisely to strike the perfect balance between both worlds. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.